Most people think life insurance is just for when you die. They're wrong. It's actually the ultimate tool to build a personal bank and create generational wealth while you're still alive. Today, I'm showing you how. Welcome to the world of infinite banking. This isn't just a policy, it's a financial philosophy. It's how the wealthy use Index Universal Life to keep their money moving and growing simultaneously. Everyone tells you to dump money into a 401k, but you're just deferring a massive tax bill. You're taking 100% of the risk, and the government owns a lien on your retirement. You need a better way. Enter the IUL, what I call the FORTIFY Asset. It's built on 7 pillars that protect you from the system. Let's break down exactly why this is a fortress for your wealth. First, the floor. The beauty of the IUL is that zero is your hero. When the market crashes, you stay flat. You capture the upside, but you never, ever lose your principal. Second, overfunding. We structure these policies for maximum cash, not maximum death benefit. This makes your dollars work harder and grow faster within the tax-free shell. Third, retirement. Imagine reaching 65 and pulling out a 6-figure income every year without paying a single cent to the IRS. That's the power of strategic policy loans. Fourth, tax. Your money grows tax-deferred and it comes out tax-free. In a world where tax rates are likely to go up, this is your ultimate hedge against the government. Fifth, illness. These aren't old-school policies. If you get sick, cancer, heart attack, stroke, you can access your death benefit while you're still alive to pay for care or bills. Sixth, family. This is about building a legacy, a tax-free pool of capital that passes to your heirs instantly, bypassing probate and creating an immediate financial head start. And seventh, yield. You aren't getting 0.01% in a savings account. You're getting market-linked returns without the market-linked risk. Your money is finally working for you. Don't think this is new. Look at Ray Kroc. When he was building McDonald's, he was broke. Banks wouldn't touch him. He had a vision, but he didn't have the capital to pay his staff. What did he do? He borrowed against the cash value of his life insurance policies. That money funded the payroll and the expansion that turned a burger stand into a global empire. Then there's Walt Disney. He had a dream of a place called Disneyland. Every bank in California told him it was a fantasy and refused to lend him a dime. He was stuck. He didn't give up. He tapped into his life insurance cash value to fund the initial construction. Without that policy, the happiest place on earth would never have been built. And James Cash Penney? During the Great Depression, his stores were on the brink of collapse. Credit was frozen. He used his life insurance to keep the lights on and the doors open. Here's the secret. When you borrow from your policy, you aren't actually taking your money out. You're taking a loan from the insurance company using your cash value as collateral. Your money stays in the policy, still earning interest and dividends. You're using other people's money while yours keeps growing. That's called arbitrage, and it's how you get rich. But warning, you have to structure it right. If you overfund it incorrectly, it becomes a MEC, a modified endowment contract. You lose the tax status. You need a pro who knows how to MEK proof it. Look at the comparison. A 401k is a gamble on future tax rates. An IUL is a guarantee on your terms. One keeps you dependent, the other makes you the bank. This is how you create a private family bank. You teach your kids to borrow from the family policy, pay it back with interest, and keep the wealth inside the family circle forever. It's also the ultimate hedge against estate taxes. Your heirs receive the death benefit tax-free, providing the liquidity they need to keep family businesses or real estate intact. You don't need millions to start. You just need a plan. Stop thinking like a consumer and start thinking like a banker. Take control of your financial destiny today. Remember, floor, overfunding, retirement, tax, illness, family, and yield. That is the blueprint for a financial fortress that no recession can touch. The best time to start was 10 years ago. The second best time is right now. Don't wait for the next crash to wish you had a floor. Build it today. If you're ready to see how an IUL can transform your financial future, click the link below. My team and I are ready to help you build your legacy. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more strategies on building wealth that lasts. I'll see you in the next video. Stay banked.